Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to install the stamps I just sent you. So from the email attached, you'll see the stamp is attached to the email. I'm using Anna's here as an example. So what you're going to do is either drag and drop or right click and save as. Anyway, you're just going to save the file to your desktop. So I'll just go ahead and here, there's my desktop. All right. Okay, so I'm good there. I can go ahead and minimize my email. Now I'm going to be in Bluebeam. Just so you know, I'm running a more recent version of Bluebeam than you are probably. I think you're probably running 2015. I'm running 2018 right now. So it's going to look a little different, but generally it's the same. So I'm going to click on Tools. I think it's going to be Markups on your version of Bluebeam. Either way, you'll click there and you're looking for Stamp. And so once you get to that stamp menu, here's all your stamp options. And what you're going to do is go all the way to the bottom and click on that import stamp. And then I'm going to go to my desktop. And so you'll look for the stamp that you just saved. In my case, it was that one right there, Land Use Approval, Anna. So I'll double click there or click open, either way. And once I go back into the tool and click stamps, you'll see, bang, there it is. So once it's installed, then I can use it on a document. I don't have a document open right now, so I can't show you that. In fact, actually, I'll open one really quick and give you an idea. Here we go. Just a user form I've got. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that stamp. We'll do that one. So I'm going to go ahead and that. I've just got to fill in the little dialog box, click approved. The time, or the date, I'm sorry, is 07/12/2019. Okay, and bang, there's the stamp. Now the stamp is going to occur wherever I had originally put it, but I can move it or even enlarge it or shrink it, either way. So you can make adjustments once you put it in, but there you go. Now if you type in the wrong date, you're going to have to just delete the stamp and reapply it, but otherwise you should be good to go. All right, have a good one.